These apps are ready to pay you at least $100 per day. Chances are that you already have them, but you are not using them. If you have one of these, it doesn't matter what's the brand, you are going to be able to earn money. Hey, hello, my name is Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to your channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how you can use an app. Okay. If you already have one of these, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what brand it is. You can actually earn money online. So keep watching the entire video because I'm going to be revealing everything step by step. Okay. So let me show you everything really fast. Let me share you my screen. This is going to be a quick video. We are not going to be wasting any time. So right now you're like this page, 100% blank. Okay. You have no idea. You know that you want to earn money, but you don't have like a step by step of which, are these steps or the secrets that you need to follow if you want to earn. So let me show you everything. Which are these apps and how you can earn money with this, okay? This is going to blow your mind. And if you actually take action, you can actually earn money super fast, okay? So which are the actual apps that you're going to be using? Well, the first one, I'm pretty sure that you already hear about this one. Okay, it's called TikTok. Okay, this is the very first app that is out there ready to pay you. The second app, it's actually YouTube, but not with this long format, but with something that is called YouTube Shorts. The third app is Instagram, and we're going to be talking about this one in a moment. And the fourth one, which is not finally, but not least, is actually Facebook. Okay, let me show you how this is going to work. Okay, what these apps have in common right now at the time recording this video is that they are allowing normal people to be sharing content in a really short format, 1 minute or less. The mother of this strategy, it's actually TikTok. Then Instagram was like, hey, what's wrong? I already have my videos, but I don't have that momentum as TikTok. So they create the Instagram Reels. The same happened with YouTube. YouTube was like, Jesus, I'm a community. I'm also, a platform in which people share their videos. Why are people on TikTok? Because I'm the number one, the very first one. The idea came, with YouTube, like sharing everything. So they say like, okay, I'm going to have another format, which is going to be the YouTube Shorts and Facebook. You know, I don't want to say like this is actually the best social network, but definitely the one that changed it all. They decided like they're gonna go with the Facebook Reels. Okay, so you can be sharing these small or really short content videos, and a lot of people are gonna watch them. Okay, so what you need right now, well, you need an offer. You need to be promoting a product or service that you are not going to be creating. So this is what we actually call affiliate marketing. Okay, so you're going to have something that we call an affiliate offer. Okay, so you're going to have the affiliate offer here. So you're going to be driving people traffic, eyeballs to this offer. Okay, and they are going to be actually looking for this because you're going to be creating a video or a series of videos related to the niche. Okay, the niche, basically, what is a niche? Well, it's a group of people who are going to be interested on what you have to offer. Okay, let me show you. And by the way, guys, if you want to learn more about this and in depth, if you want to see what's the offer that I'm actually promoting, click the link below. That's going to be the very first link in the description. So I want to show you that I practice what I preach. So you can see this is my TikTok account. Okay. This is actually my TikTok account. You can see it has been posting regularly, and I'm actually sending people to this email. Oh, sorry, not to this email, to this link. Okay. So these are really small content that I'm creating. Okay. And also the same here on Instagram. Okay, I'm not using the regular post, but reels because I want my content to go viral. Okay, and the same, I have a link here, which is going to be my affiliate offer. Okay. One thing that I have to mention about TikTok is the fact that if you don't have at least 1,000 subscribers, you are not going to be able to put your offer. So this is not going to be here. But good news. Unfortunately, you cannot see these on desktop version, but you're going to have an icon here. So you can link this is supposed to be the Instagram icon, by the way, or you can also link your YouTube channel. So this is supposed to be the, the play button. Okay. So you can link them all and you can let them know like, hey, if you want to learn more about this, if you want to discover this, if you're ready to do this, you know, go to my Instagram, and then on Instagram or YouTube, you can have the call to action with the link that is going to be this one. Okay. With the link that is going to be this one. There is no restriction by the time recording this video with Instagram, with YouTube. And I mean the YouTube short, not the long format. Okay. But these ones. Okay. The YouTube short. So this is content that you can be repurposing on one platform, on the other, and the other. I'm also using Facebook, but unfortunately, on the desktop version, I'm not able to show you how the reels look like. But if you go to the app, you're going to be able to see the reels. You're going to be able to upload reels. Okay, so this is an easy way in which you guys can earn at least $100 per day. So what do you need? Well, you need um, a traffic source. Okay, right now, TikTok, YouTube Short, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, they're hot. You need an offer. You can go to ClickBank, you can go to Warrior Plus, you can go to JVC, or you can have partner with someone who have a private offer. That's the way I'm doing. So again, if you want to know what's my offer, if you want to model it, I'm gonna leave the link below. It's gonna be the very first link in the description. Okay. So you are not going to be delivering the product. You are not going to be creating it. You're not going to be dealing with customer service. This is your only job. Okay. And these apps, again, they are hot right now. So if you're really interested to make money, you're really interested to change your life forever, I strongly suggest you to use them as soon as possible. And by the way, you don't need to be in front of camera. Okay. You don't need to be in front of camera. You can have a totally 100% faceless channel, and you can have a huge success with the strategy. Okay, guys? Again, if you want to learn more about this, if you want to see, my offer, everything step by step, use the very first link in the description. Okay, this is it for this video. If you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And I see you on the next video.